Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the steps that need to be taken to connect your first domain into your website. So first, you need to pick a website and then you can go ahead and proceed to connecting that domain. So we're going to choose our first website called Floating Video Tutorial. We're going to go ahead over here to more options and we're going to click Connect Domain. Keep in mind you need to buy a domain, an external domain provider, and then you need to connect it here, and then after that there are some steps you need to take. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at this information. So guys, please be aware of this line over here where it talks about our name servers. You will need to connect them and validate them through your external domain provider, in my case GoDaddy.com, and make sure these name servers are configured with your domain so it is pointed to Builderall and you're able to host it over here. So let's go ahead now and copy this and go to our external domain provider. So let's press cancel here, over here in GoDaddy. So this is the domain we're using, gustavoheld.com. So we can go down here and we can click in manage DNS. Okay, over here guys, you need to make sure that you're using a custom name servers. You can change it over here, custom to default, but make sure it is custom. And then over here is where you will input our name servers. Let's go ahead and take that off. We can copy this, take out the extra information, leave the first one there, and then we need to leave the second one here. So now that is done, we can go ahead and save. Okay guys, you guys can read here, it says that features can take a while to process. So the propagation of this can take maybe 30 minutes to 48 hours. So please be aware of that. So now that we have connected our name servers, we can go back over here. And to connect our domain now, it's pretty simple. We're going to click connect domain. We're going to put our domain over here. And all we have to do is click save. Again guys, it says that your domain can take up to 30 minutes to be available to access. So please beware of that and make sure to check back maybe in 24 hours to see if everything is good. So let's reload our page and see the name of our website changing to our domain name. Okay guys, so there you go. That's how you connect your external domain into Builderall. Again guys, make sure you validate your name servers into your external domain provider so everything works well. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.